Hi everyone, I'm Wafalanga and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we are going to discuss the fourth part of your kind of your concrete noun, and that is known as the compound noun. Let's discuss what is compound noun. Definition of compound noun: when two or three words are combined together to form a new word in a vocabulary is called compound noun. See, when you combine two words or maybe three words, when you combine two or three words and to form a new word in a vocabulary, and you make another vocabulary, keep in your mind it is vocabulary, and its plural is also vocabulary, not vocabularies. Vocabularies will be wrong. I know 10 vocabulary, I know one vocabulary. You will not say vocabularies, that will be wrong. Is called compound noun. So what is compound noun? When two or three words are combined together to form a new word in a vocabulary, is called compound noun. Now let's put a glance with on the examples. See, you can write compound nouns in three methods. Clear? One, that is what you write two words together, or maybe with the help of hyphen, like you'd say dining table. Clear? Like this hyphen is used in between. This is the second method. And number third, you will bring the space between the two words. So these are the three ways: policeman together, or you could write it dining table, and the greenhouse. So these are the three ways to write them. Now, what is C? Police, the one who performs the duty to care about to take care of the public, and man is what we say, he is a man, he is a woman, etc. But you make it together, that makes a policeman. That is what combined together to make a new word in a vocabulary. See, friend, and then boy. Boy, I say you are a boy, and friend, the one who helps you, who supports you in your life. And when you bring it, that is what that brings another word in your meaning. That is what boyfriend. And in the same way, tanks are many, but if you put water with it, then the meaning changes. That becomes water tank. And in the same way, if you bring with it uh, petrol tank, then the meaning totally changes. Like we say petrol tank, and in the same way diesel tank. In the same way, you could say gas tank, etc. So this is what if you put tank with it, the meaning, if you put this word with it, the meaning totally changes. Next is table, but which sort of table? Dining table. What is dining table? Where you take your dinner or lunch, etc. Greenhouse, this is what house, and then you bring with it green, then it changes into greenhouse. Like we say greenhouse effect, etc. See, speaking, but which speaking? Public speaking. This is what two words are combined together and making another word. In the same way, pool, but which pool? Swimming pool. And after that, see, three words are here together. Father, we call our own father, like I say, he is your father. And then in is preposition law, which is to be followed. But any law comes in father. See, one is our simple father, but when you bring a law in a father, that is very, some of the people are, respected more than their father. So that is what somehow that is called the father-in-law. In the same way, mother, simply we call our mother in preposition law, which is to be followed. But when you bring all together, that makes mother-in-law. Now here three words are combined together to form a new word in a vocabulary. In the same way, sister-in-law. See, sister-in-law has got two meanings. It could be brother's wife. It could be as that it could be also husband's that Uh, Husband's sister, you could also say the sister-in-law, and wife's sister as well, you could say sister-in-law. And so it has got some several meanings. You could check them. After that, brother-in-law. Brother-in-law means brothers, husband's brother or wife's brother, as well as brother, that's sisters, that husband is also called brother-in-law. After that, son-in-law, daughters, husband is called son-in-law, and daughter-in-law is son's wife, that is known as uh, daughter-in-law. Rainfall. Now see, fall, but which sort of fall? Rainfall. That is known as another vocabulary in the word. And in the same way, we have got air cut. Cut, but which cut? Air cut. After that, we have got C. This is what? Room, which is combination of four walls. But when you bring different words with it, the meaning totally changes. Now see, we will have some example from here, and we will be discussing them. Whatever uh, that circling, that is what? Room. That is commonly called one room. Room, combination of four walls. But if you bring wash with it, washroom, where we take bath, and dining room, where we sit with our family members, especially in the villages this room is very common. A room where all the family members sit with their parents, all the brothers with their wives and with their family members sit together, they take dinner. After that, everybody goes to his own room. That is known as the dining room. After that, we have got bedroom. Bedroom, where we sleep. Guest room, where we make our guests sit. And waiting room. Now see, waiting is what? Where you wait for someone. Mostly these are present in a school, in an office, etc. And storeroom, where you make it a cupboard, and you keep your extra luggage or goods, or maybe other useless things. And after that, meeting room, where you that conduct your meetings. So see, with one word, how the meaning changes. Now, washroom is the place where you do not study. And in the same way, meeting room, in meeting room you will not take bath. In the same way, in bedroom you do not sit with your family members. This is what, every, with room, any sort of word you bring, the meaning totally changes, that for which purpose it is used. That is known as compound noun. So compound noun is the same, that when two, three words are combined together to form a new word in a vocabulary. After that, see, hospital. Now, hospital, where the people are treated. Now, with the same hospital, if you put any sort of word, the meaning total changes. If I say dentist hospital, where the teeth are being treated. And children hospital, where only the children are treated. Earth hospital, where only the earth patients are being treated. In the same way, kidney center or kidney hospital, where only the patient of uh, kidney and bladder patients are being treated. In the same way, see, father gives its own meaning differently. Mother and brother, sister, son, daughter. But if you bring with them the step, and step is what I say, you took the first step and you fell down, and child starts its moving with the first step. So this step and father you bring together, that becomes a stepfather, who is not who is not from your real father. Maybe when any mother has got two times married, the first or the second one may be called the stepfather. In the same way, stepmother, when father gets two marriages, the first or the second son or the daughter will call him the stepmother. And in the same way, step brother. Now, brother who may not be from your father or may not be from your mother, then that is known as the step brother. And in the same way, step means the one who is not from your real mother or father, that is known as the stepsister, stepson, stepdaughter, etc. So those nouns, when you combine them together and they make a new word in a vocabulary, is called compound noun. So this is all about compound noun. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with the next lecture. Goodbye.